Spring sunfish fishing, guys. Biscuit, are we gonna catch any fish today? What do you think? Can you give me a sign of where the fish are at? She's thinking, where are they? So we got hit with a crazy rash. We have a crazy rash. So I'm gonna go fishing. This is a gorgeous Jersey day. 77 degrees, clear skies. Let's see if those sunfish could bite. Last time we were here, they were not biting for me. So let's see if we can make them bite today. Gonna be using the old fly and a bobber. I will be experimenting with some new techniques this year, but ooh, there's a big one like right here. I can see a ton of fish right in front of me. But let's see. Ooh, somebody's interested. They are up shallow, man. They are definitely up shallow. Here comes one. They're hitting it really light. I'm gonna switch up to a smaller fly. Stay tuned, boys and girls. Stay tuned. Put on a different color fly, see if that does anything. Cause that other fly, they weren't biting. So let's see if they like this one. Oh, there he is. Got him. Ooh, good one. Good one. Oh, he got me. Oh, he broke me off. So that sucker broke me off, so we retied with a different fly. Look at these fish right in front of me, dude. They're like right in front of me. Bobber floats away. Oh, here comes one. Here comes one. He was coming for that thing bad. There he is. Got him. Here we go. First bluegill of the day. Got him. Switched up to a black fly. Got one, boys and gals. Let him go. Let him go. There's one. I got an hour left. Oh, there's another one. Oh, this one's a good one, dude. Goodness gracious. Man. This sucker's a big guy. Number 2. Look at how pretty. Used to go spring sunfish fishing, guys. Oh, there he is. Oh, he killed it, dude. My goodness, did he get that thing. Freaking whacked it. All right, number 3. Number 3, boys and gals. These are some big ones here. Not a Brick Lake. Brick Lake has small ones. Oy, look at that. Release to go. That's the fly doing the damage right here. Good old black and white. Hit up this spot for a second. Oh, there's some sunnies right here. Cool. Let's see if they want to bite. This is super shallow. Some beds around. Let's see what we got. Oh, already got bit, right? First cast, dude. Getting bit. There he is. There we go. First cast in a new spot. Gotta love it. That's what's up. Oh, he got off. That's all right. We kind of let him go. All right. I like that. That's a good sign. All right, let's go. One more. One more for the old people. Oh, there he is. Got him. All right. Last one. Oh, there's a little bass in here. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching Bass Wars. This is spring bank fishing with the bobber and the fly. Well, we released him. Okay, buddy. That's how we release. We just drop him in the water. No, you're going the wrong way. There you go. There he goes. Come on, buddy. Go. There he goes. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys again.